Hello, e-commerce world. Jaydeep is back on your screen. Today, I will represent e-commerce localization. Why e-commerce localization? Because our world has different continents, countries, regions, which have different languages, currencies, their different local products, their customer behaviors are different, their festivals, their holidays, which are totally different and as per their locations. Now, as an e-commerce merchant, your store could be in different countries, different regions, and you will be thinking about how you can do localization of your e-commerce store. Let me help you here by giving an example of European market. Suppose a UK brand is like having e-commerce company and they are selling products all over the Europe. Then they have to set up different e-commerce stores within a one store. One could be English, second could be German, third could be French, and the currencies would be euro and pound. With the same European example, as we have three store, so our product information, category information would be in three different languages. One product information would be in English, the same product in another store would be in German, the same product in another store would be in French language. About currencies, yes, the same product have the price in euro as well as the same product have price in different store with pound. Localization also matters, like in different regions of Europe, they use different shipping methods, different payment methods. Somewhere tax rules regulations are also different, so managing different e-commerce localization stores and e-commerce merchant can sell all over Europe easily seamless. Now let's talk about return on investment, ROI. When you invest in localization, you will attract more consumers locally because they will keep more trust on you. So ultimately, the output and the return will be high for sure. From the study, we found 70% of customers likely to buy from the e-commerce store where they will feel the languages are local, the currencies are local. If I give another example of the world, in Middle East, if we consider Saudi Arabia, definitely the customers will be buying when they feel more comfortable with e-commerce store which have Arabic language and the real is currency. If we consider UAE, then the customer also expect the e-commerce store or the product informations and the page information should be in Arabic language. And so here we can consider like Japan and the regions who are also expecting like China, they are also expecting to be like stores should be in their local languages and local currencies. They also like keep more trust when they see the local shipping methods and payment methods. If we can also consider like India, like where like if you consider Amazon, they are also providing like search where people can do search in their local languages of Hindi, Gujarati, and so on. So conclusion is if the bigger brands of e-commerce in the world, Amazon, Rutukan, and others are trying to be localized, so it's time for all the e-commerce merchants who are selling their products like globally, but they do not have like their different stores who can attract their local customers. Then I strongly recommend or suggest that they should convert their store with locally, and return on investment will be 110% good. And second profitable conclusion is if you start your store in localization before your competitor, then early stage of benefits will be uh, perfect for sure. Christmas season is coming, the holidays are coming. So, as a localization, you can attract your different local customers by different campaigns, what they need based on the discounts, based on their regions, based on the festivals, and so on. So, happy selling. Have a great day ahead. Bye.